Hey everyone, welcome back to my study. In today's video, we are going to learn how to simplify your .NET REST API call using Refit. Refit is a fantastic library that makes interacting with REST API super easy and fun. Let's dive it. So first we are setting up the project. First, let's create a new .NET Console applications, open the Visual Studio, and then go to the create a new project. So those things we can discuss here. So let's do a start. I have one created the small console project. So if you can see that in the Solution Explorer, it's one console project with the name of Refit demo, and dependency I have installed as a package is the Refit. Okay. And have created the three files. One is the IMyAPIs, items.cs, item.cs, program.cs. So we can create in by scratch how we can do consume the API using the Refit. So first, I'm going to do open the Visual Studio. Oh, my mistake. Closing this one. Yeah, yeah. Now I'm going to open the Visual Studio. Now create a new project. Select the console application and double click on it or click on next. I'm giving the name as Refit Demo 1 because I have already the one project with the Refit demo. So I'm creating as a Refit Demo 1. It's creating with the location of desktop in the Refit folder. So keeping it as it is, clicking on the next. Framework, I'm choosing this 6.0 .NET. It's a lattice framework. Yeah, so now so next step is open the NuGet package manager. So here's the install. Now click on the browse option. Search the Refit. So Refit, it's developed by the .NET Foundations. I'm also the member of the .NET Foundation and the contributors. So those members have developed this Refit libraries. It's very safe and the is smooth to use. So whatever we are for the calling purpose, we are writing the APIs code. So we can do call those APIs within single or 1 to 2 line steps, nothing else. So it will very useful. We can discuss here how we can use. So I'm just installing this libraries. Okay. So it's installed. Okay. So earlier I have already created the one project. I will take the reference how we can do the other things. So first we need to create the two things. One is the interface and another one is a class file. So first create the interface. Give the any name, my API .cs and then add. So one interface is added. Next is add one class with the name of item. Class is for declaration purpose. Whatever the items we have, we are trying to do call. So those objects we can declare here. And program is for the calling of the API. So I think we have the sufficient three files. Now switching to the my earlier project, copying those things without writing anything because I have just done sometime before. So we are copying for this. I'm my API. It's giving some error because, yeah, if you can see that missing the using refit libraries, yeah, because we have added the package but haven't declared in the IMY API. So now declaration is done and error is mitigated. Is it? Yeah, it's less accessible. So because of the internal class item, no issue. We can do change going inside the item. Sorry, it's the item. Copying these two declaration and pasting here as name, and inside the program you need to write the API calling code. So you have written some lines of codes. You just need to do copy and paste in your new created project. Okay, so all done. I think, yeah, there's declaration is missing, so we can declare those things here. Refit demo, all done. Using refit is already there, is it? Because I was changing the variable name, it was name, so I've changed it here. So all done. Interface is ready, item is declared, and the calling functions has been implemented. And have taken this URL. It's a dummy REST API URL. You can also do use, but it's a completely dummy. There's nothing to use. It's on the open internet and in the public environment with the name of dummy.restapi example.com. So I have taken this one. Now let's run this project. Oh, we are getting error. Is it? Let's try to rerun. Okay, so we are getting a response status code does not indicate success 409 conflict because it's calling the multiple APIs at the same time. Yeah. So, I mean, this is the way of calling. We can do check because I'm using the REST API, dummy API. So I'm not sure it's, I mean, workable and what kind of headers we will do include for this one because I have taken from the open internet. But calling, I mean, the calling of the API is the same way that I have declared here. So you can see that. So in the refit, there is nothing to do define. You only need to do one line, single line of code for the API client is equal to REST API and whatever the interface declarations you have given, I mean, those items. So these items will be okay. Yeah, I think there is a one thing is missing. Like if you are calling the get and we have declared the some function name. So those thing is we need to define here. And I have mentioned as employee. So this one we need to declare as, sorry, I think as employees. So the function name we have missed here. Let's try to do change if it will do work. Yeah, now try to do run. Let's see what will get happen. No, no, it's a response code does not indicate, I mean, does not indicate the success 409 we're getting. Okay, so we can do check. But I mean, the calling and the declarations and the calling part, how we can do call those refit by using the refit package. So this is the way we can do call those things. So why we are here for using the refit? Is it, I mean, what is the use of refit? What is refit? We can discuss here. So refit is a type-safe REST library of .NET. Okay, it allows you to define your API as an interface, which refit then implements for you. This approach reduces the boilerplate code and makes your API call more readable and maintainable. Okay. So what is the key features of the refit? Type safe API definitions, automatic serializations and deserialization. There is no need to do call those JSON serializations and deserialization. So those things are automatically handled by the a refit bag is. Request and response manipulations. You can add some custom headers and handle the specific content type easily. Source code generation. Refit generate the REST client at build time, reduce the runtime overhead, and improve your performance. Okay, so these are the benefits of Refit. I